Harmony Restore for women showing symptoms of adrenal fatigue, depleted, tired and stress. This is a formula that supports adrenal fatigue, reduces exhaustion, improves sleep and balances cortisol levels alongside nourishing your skin. This is a formula that's been known to reduce adrenal fatigue over a 6-week course. 100% natural formula including excipients. It's a calming formula to assist you in times of high stress and anxiety. The key herb is holy basil in a very high dose in this formula that has been clinically trialled and shown to scientifically address the symptoms of stress such as exhaustion and improved sleep. This is a formula that restores energy and even improves memory. Withania in this formula calms, restores restful sleep and restores energy throughout your day. Peony restores energy and supports ongoing sleep. The olive fruit in this formula promotes well-being and even improves skin complexion. This is a formula where 2 tablets are taken per day for a 6-week course. If you would like to find out more about this formulation, please go to takeharmony.com. Thank you.